Welcome to Homeopathic Clinic series. So today, I'm Dr. Vandana. I welcome you in my Homeopathic Clinic series, and today topic is insomnia. So insomnia or the sleeplessness. So insomnia is a common sleep disorder characterized by difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or walking too early, leading to daytime fatigue, irritability, and poor concentration. The causes include stress, poor sleep disorder, habit, or any underlying uh, medical or mental health issue. The treatment focus on the lifestyle changes such as improved sleep hygiene or cognitive behavioral therapy. So, there are two types of insomnia: acute insomnia or chronic insomnia. In acute insomnia, short term, lasting for a few days or week, or often caused by stress or environmental changes. Now, the chronic insomnia occurs 3 or more nights a week, lasting for a 3 months or longer. Now we move on to the symptoms. The symptoms of insomnia. So, symptom of insomnia: difficulty falling asleep at night, waking up often during night or waking too early, feeling tired, sleepy, irritable during day, difficult concentration or memory problem, or there is anxiety or depression. Now, the causes or the risk factors. The first cause is stress. The second one is poor sleep habit, and the third one is mental health. The next could be the medical condition like chronic pain, diabetes, or any healthy heart problem. So now the treatment is the lifestyle changes, medication. That's all about the insomnia or sleeplessness. Now we move on to the homeopathic treatments. Guys, we have very good homeopathic remedy that gives a very good results in insomnia. The first one is the Passiflora tincture. That tincture can be taken 10 drops a day, 3 times a day. 10 drops at a time, 3 times a day. The next medicine could be the Caliphos 6x. Caliphos 6s tablet also can be taken 3 times a day. The next one is the you can also take ignitia if there is a loss of loved ones and there is sleeplessness due to the loss of the loved one. The next medicine could be the coffea cruda. The coffea cruda 200 can be taken 3 times a day, 4 pills at a time. It is used in uh, more activity of the brain, unusual activity, more thinking of the brain. And now the next medicine could be the natramure. And if there is an anxiety or there is fear, any kind of fear, so the arsenic album can also be think of in the sleeplessness. So guys, these are the medicine one can take for a homeopathic medicine. And then this is all about the insomnia. And it's what is insomnia, what are the causes, what are the risk factor, what are the symptom, and the homeopathic management. So if you have insomnia or sleeplessness, you can contact me on my clinic on my number 8527 is my contact number. You can take appointments online appointment, video consultation too. So this is all about for today's video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.